game. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So literally just a quickie today. I've got these gel polishes from Aimeili. These are available on Amazon and the website. I've got a 10% discount code for the Aimeili website as well. So this is their 8ml bottles, collections of 12 that they do. And this, guys, I really like this set actually. It's one of them sets, you'll see the colours. I'm going to just give them a quick swatch today. Guys, as well, these are Hema free. They're fantastic little gels, and for the price, Hema free. Yeah, I think they're absolutely fantastic. But yeah, this set is, I don't know the name of it. I'll leave all the info below, and it'll all be in my Amazon storefront anyway. These are all like neutral. I wouldn't say nudes, although there's some nudes in there. But they're like just really nice neutral colours. So there's the ingredients, base coat, top coat and the colour. If anyone wants to screenshot it, you can do. There you go. So yeah, literally a quick swatch, guys. I'm going to show you this one colour in a minute. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it. So this first one, it's just a nice creamy. It's all them kind of base colours that you would need. It's alright having all these pastels and neons. You need your base colours though, and this has got them all. Wait and see this colour, guys. It's like pearly, shimmery. The camera struggles with it, but can you see? It's got such a subtle little kind of pearly shimmer. It is beautiful. I love it. I've done a set of nails using that actually. That will be coming up in my next video, so keep your eyes out for that. Yeah, and then we've got a nice little grey. It's just full of some really cute little colours. This one is one of my go-to colours. Nearly every set that I do, I use kind of a nude pink like this, don't I? Beautiful, beautiful, neutral base colours. And then we've got another kind of grey. This has got a slight purple tone to it, hasn't it? Just a slight one. Pretty, I like it. Right, then guys, after this colour, is it this colour? Yeah, this is the 6th colour that I've swatched. These next 6 are like, they're not jellies, but they're like milky colours. Yeah, so you've got like 6 solid base colours, neutral colours, and then you've got these milky ones. Look at that. Oh, yeah, I wouldn't say it's a jelly, it's just sheer, isn't it? And then this purple, these milky sheer ones remind me so much of a certain collection from a certain brand. So much. Look at that. It's really pretty. And there's yeah, there's a few of these little sheer colours. And then right at the end, the very last colour, we've got a proper jelly. I'm just going to let you watch for a sec, guys, and I'll be back. So there we go, that is them all swatched. Look at this set, I love it. I love all of them. I love these first few and this one. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I've used this in a set coming out tomorrow, you'll see it. It is such a pretty colour, I really like it. Yeah, the first 6 are like solid cream, perfect base colours. I wouldn't say that yellow on the right is a base colour, but it's still a pretty colour. And then all the ones that we've got on the right, yeah, they're like milky. Yeah, just milky, and we've got a milky white. And then this last one is just a very jelly, very light pink jelly, isn't it? I really like them. Can you tell I like them? I haven't got anything like this. I have not got a collection like this. I've got lots of nudes dotted about, but yeah, certainly not in a collection like this. I think it's a really, really nice kit, and really good to have in your collection, isn't it? Anyway guys, that is it for today. They're available on the website. My discount code is for the website only, and I will put these in my Amazon store as well. All details will be below. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you back in my next one. Take care, bye.